So welcome everyone, this is my treadmill I bought a few days ago. So this is the treadmill here. So this is the key they have given with this one, with the treadmill. And it's a monitor here. Key has to press here, that's a magnetic one, and then from here you can use plus sign. Oh sorry, first you have to use the select start, then whatever speed you want to use, it will be running here. So from here you can increase the speed. So here you can increase more power also. Then from here stop. It will automatically reduce the speed. The next one would be this thing. It is attached here. For the stomach trimmer. So it will be attached here like this. So this one is for stomach trimmer. It is attached here like this. Then you can here. So at the back there is a button. It will be doing like this. And if you want to change to the front for your stomach, so basically it's a very small treadmill that is for working at home. So these are the budget shoes I bought from Decathlon, and these shoes I am only using for my treadmill here. So I did not use any other shoes since I am utilizing this treadmill inside the house only. So just to make sure I am making like not making the treadmill dirty with the outside shoes I am using. So this is how I am using the treadmill. So overall this treadmill looks fine, but if you are the weight is, you are very tall, like 6 feet or 5'11", 5'10", so it's like average thing for you guys. If you are like in a height like 5.5, 5'3", 5'6", or 5'7", something like that, and your body weight is not around more than 70 or under 60, 50, something like that, so that this treadmill is really good and workable at home. But as me, I feel little bit comfortable given the situation that it's a budget I think around 12,000 peso. So yeah, it looks fine. If you're working out every day, it will obviously give you some benefits in terms of reducing your extra weight and having some cardio exercise also. So overall, with given the function for a stomach trimmer also, overall experience is good. Yeah, it's a good thing, this treadmill, but only few days I have tried it, but I will love to try it more on a daily basis, doing like around 30 minutes to 40 minutes every day. So I will see the results, how easy it will progress. One more thing is that there is a like so one more thing is that this is the oil they have given here for putting inside the treadmill so that it will run. This is not sufficient. On the first day when I tried to use give this lubricant oil on the treadmill, so it was not enough. So I ordered some more from Shopee also, because it will smoothen. If you are not putting the oil properly in the treadmill, it will be very hard for you to run or walk or whatsoever. So yes, so I did some time lapse also. I will leave you guys with that, and I hope you like my vlog for today. And once again guys, thank you for liking the vlog, and bye, take care, stay safe, healthy, bye.
Pagka kunwari, wala nang ginagawa sa kondo, nasa office ko.